Because music saved my life, guys. Music definitely saved my life. I was at a time in my life where football was taken from me. At that point in time, that was my identity. I didn't know what else to do. I suffered depression. I was going through a lot of mental health issues. And while I was still in college trying to graduate and earn my bachelor's degree in psychology, I was at one of my lowest points in my life, and I discovered music organically. I had no intentions of becoming a rapper, becoming an artist. Love and hoping. Remember, it's the hook, so it can't be love. A, C, A. And then we're gonna try to incorporate mental health, coping skills, and how we can use music as a coping skill, right? So these are coping skills, right? I call coping skills tools to put in our toolbox of life, right? Because we are gonna encounter situations that may be hard for us, that may be stressful for us, that we don't understand or know how to get through on an emotional level, on a mental health level. And the more coping skills we have, the more avenues, the more tricks, the more tools we have to deal with these hard emotions such as sadness, anger, disappointment, guilt, shame, embarrassment, right? These coping skills are designed to help us build our resilience. Hoping to praise my Lord. I like that. Okay. All right.